Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on December 29, 2022. 3-star Sudoku. Column D, column B, we have pair numbers 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come the two cells. We will confirm later. Column C, second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then the 4 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come the two cells. Seventh row, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. And then 4 is here. Then fourth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 3. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. 7th grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column D, 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column C, 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 10th row, 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 6. Column E, we have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column F, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 4th row, second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Fourth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 6. Column E, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column F, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then fourth row, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column E, column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Ninth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Ninth grade, Value of 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column I, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column G, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. 6th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 7th row, we have 1. 7 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 6th row and 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. 6th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column F, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. And then 8 is here. Column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Sorry, column H. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.